Hi everyone, today I am going to recreate Deepika Padukone's Met Gala 2019 makeup look. So let's get started with the tutorial. So here I'm starting with moisturized clean face. As usual, I will be doing my eyes first. So for that I'm taking Spotlight Liquid Concealer in the shade Mocha. And I'm just applying on my lids to conceal my darkness around my eyes. And little goes a long way, trust me. And I'm just gonna blend it really nicely to create a blank canvas on my eye. And then I will be setting the concealer with pack baking powder, and I am taking the yellow toned powder, this one, and I'm just gonna set my eyelids using this powder. Now for this look, I'm just gonna tape the sides of my eyes just like this in an angle, just to create like a sharp edge, just like Deepika has. So I'm using Ultra Matte's Brights palette from Stix makeup, and I'm using the lighter pink shade first to my outer corner, and I'm just going to my crease as well, and I'm just blending it really nicely. Then I am gonna deepen my outer corner and crease with a darker pink. This will be our gradient or transition color, and I am building one step by step, and then I'm taking the purple shade from the same palette and I'm just building the outer corner, and again I'm building the purple step by step, and then I will be taking a little darker purple color from this Baked Moonshadow palette from Sephora, and I'm just doing my outer corners. I'm deepening my outer corners because she has really vibrant purple going on. And then I'm taking my JACLYN Hill palette. I'm taking this rose gold color, and I'm just applying this color to my lid area using my fingers only. And then taking a champagne color, I'm just highlighting my inner corners just like this. Now it's time to remove the tape, and you can see the sharp edge. And now I'm taking a matte white eyeshadow and I'm just highlighting my brow bone area with this, just to highlight the whole look. And for my lower lash line, I'm taking the pink eyeshadow. I'm just applying it halfway, and then taking this champagne color again, I'm just applying it to my inner third of the lower lash line. Then I'm taking this That's the Point eyeliner by NYX, and I'm just lining it regularly, and I am not winging it out because Deepika doesn't have a wing liner going on, but I am pointing it in just like this. For lashes, I'm using pack lashes in number 56, and then I will be doing my face. I am just going to use Bouncy Primer by Pack, and I'm just applying all over my face, and I am blending it really nicely. Till the time my primer is setting, I'm just using Scandleyes Mascara by Rimmel, and I'm just applying to my lashes. Now for the foundation, I'm using Pro Coverage HD foundation in shade Nude Beige. It's by LA Girl, and I'm applying all over my face. This shade is a little lighter than my original skin tone, but I will try to blend it as much as possible and make it look like my skin. And there is a difference in my neck and face because lighting does play a very big role while you're doing your makeup. So neck always looks a little darker than your face, so that's why you can see the difference in my face and neck. But I will be applying the foundation in my on my neck as well. Now I'm using contour Stix in the shade Bloom by ColourPop, and I'm just contouring my nose, my hollows of cheeks, jaws, my forehead a little bit, and with the foundation brush I'm just gonna blend everything really nicely. It will give a little dimension to my face. Now I'm using the same concealer by Pack, a Mocha, and I'm just highlighting my under eye area, my nose, sides of mouth, forehead, and as I said, a little goes a long way. I don't need much of this concealer, and I will be blending it really nicely under my eyes or wherever I applied. And then I'm taking the same powder and I'm just setting the concealer in really nicely wherever I have applied the concealer. Now I'm filling my eyebrows, and I'm using a dark brown shade from my JACLYN Hill palette, and this is how my eyebrows are looking. Such a huge difference, but I love using powders to fill my eyebrows in. Now I'm using MEGAGLO contouring palette in Caramel Toffee, and I'm using the bronzer shade, and I'm just bronzing up my whole face. I'm not contouring, I'm just dusting it lightly on my face. And then by using this blush called Prism, it's by MAC, I'm just going to apply to apples of my cheeks, and I'm just going to blend it with the bronzer I applied. And I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. Then I'm taking this Instant Glow Shimmer Brick in Golden Wheat by INCOLOR, and oh my god, this is such a pretty highlighter, and Deepika is glowing, so she have a really nice glowing forehead. So I'm just gonna apply on my forehead as well, a nose, cupid's bow, and my highest points of the cheeks. And now let's come to the lips. I'm using Smudge Me Not lipstick by Sugar in the shade 21 Aubergine Queen, and this is a really nice black in burgundy, but I was still not happy with the darkness of this lipstick, though it's a very beautiful shade. So I overwent with another lipstick, which I'll be showing you later. But before that, I just retouched my lower lash line with the eyeshadows and mascara. So this is the lipstick. This is non-transfer matte lipstick by Blue Melon in the shade 810 Burgundy, and you can see it is more darker than the lipstick I applied before. And this is the whole look. So here I am with the hair. I was not very good at the hair, but still this is the whole look I recreated, inspired by Deepika Padukone, Met Gala 2019. I really hope you liked this look and you enjoyed watching it. If you want me to recreate more such celebrity inspired makeup looks, then let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye, take care.